A very handy organizational feature in Live 10 is collections and colors. The way this works is you simply tag any folder or file or preset or device that you have in your browser. So I'm going to go into my samples here. I have some Star Wars sound. This is my Wookiee. And I'm just going to hit on my computer keyboard the number 1, for example, and that's the color red in my favorites right here. I could multiple tag this with other colors. Here's an orange one, here's a yellow one. So I have all 3 of them right here listed. So this Wookiee will show up in all these. I can also show them by default by clicking here, and I can change their names. For example, I could call this Star Wars. And I could also go into the Wookiee. We don't need to hear this again. And hit 0, and that'll clear all my selections here. So I'll go back to putting this on orange, for example, and I'll hide this. So this is a very useful way to organize all your files and folders and presets and everything in your browser here.